Bayfoils is happy to be partnering with Cabo Electric with the very first Mexico flight school. Before I get into too much detail on our new winter escapades, I just want to take a moment to thank everyone who is subscribed to the channel and comments and likes and helps our engagement and all that stuff. We've been off the radar for a couple of weeks as we're getting all of our winter time programs dialed in, but hopefully going forward after the holidays and stuff, we'll be able to release keep our content schedule a little bit more regular with updates from Mexico. We're really excited because this is going to be a great opportunity for people who, want to get into e-foiling, but don't necessarily want to brave the cold water here in wintertime. You can come down to Mexico where the water's warm year round, have a great experience down there, and not spend a whole lot of money. So we're really excited. It's an awesome location. We're right there on the beach. You got tons of restaurants, tons of establishments there. It's an absolute awesome spot. Water's super clear, super warm. It was 83 degrees when I was there last week. That's you're in a swimsuit. You're not caring. You're having a great time. We're still going to be here in Alameda offering lessons and retail. Winter's a good time if you're looking on getting into e-foiling, especially if you're a beginner. There's no wind. In the morning, it's super flat out here.
This footage here was taken December of last year. You can see water super nice. It's sunny out. We live in California, so we don't even really get true winters like they do on the East Coast.
So it really is great conditions on the water to learn if you got the right wetsuit. But I understand not everybody wants to wear a wetsuit and deal with the frigid water. So we can get you squared away in Cabo. Our friends down there, Cabo Electric, have hookups with local hotels and other activity providers. They can get you a full curated experience while you're there to have a really awesome and memorable time while you're down in Cabo San Lucas. You can head over to Cabo Electric right now and you can sign up for lessons if you already are planning on going there. If you want to get tickets, you can make it happen. You could also reach out to us, info@bayfoils.com, and we can help you get into contact with Cabo Electric so we can get you squared away with doing some e-foiling down there. That being said, just want to take time right now to thank all of our YouTube subscribers, all of our commenters, all of our clients. Without you guys, we don't have the opportunity to be here talking about e-foiling and make these videos to help people in all over the world. So thank you guys, we really appreciate you. Hope everyone has a great winter, whether you're e-foiling here in your wetsuit or e-foiling down in Cabo in your chonies. It's gonna be a great season. We're really excited, and see y'all next year.